Hi everyone and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Rosanna and today we're making a delicious and moist cornbread. This is my to-go recipe and of course I had to share it with you. But before we get started, I want to invite you to subscribe, like this video, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Now first things first, we're gonna transform our butter. It smells so good. I've already done this, so let me show you how to do it. Start by browning the butter. During this process, it will develop an incredible nutty flavor and aroma. First, find a stainless steel medium saucepan and melt 3/4 cup of unsalted butter over medium-low heat. You want to use a stainless steel pan, this way you can easily see the color change. Once the butter has melted, swirl continuously. You will notice the milk solids will separate from the fat and will eventually sink to the bottom. To ensure everything browns evenly, it's important to continue swirling until we achieve the desired result, which is a golden brown color. Keep a close eye on it. It's very important because it could easily burn. It's ready. We have a beautiful light golden brown color. Immediately remove from the heat and pour into a heat-proof container and let the temperature decrease until warm instead of hot. This brown butter is dreamy, the color is perfect, and the flavors have definitely escalated and deepened. It smells amazing. Go ahead and preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and let's move on to the cornbread batter. In a large mixing bowl, combine all the room temperature wet ingredients. Yes, make sure they are at room temperature to ensure a smooth and velvety batter and a fluffy cornbread. Start by pouring into the bowl 1.5 cups of buttermilk and 5 large eggs. Whisk the ingredients until the mixture is smooth. Next, pour in 1/2 cup of vegetable oil and keep whisking. And lastly, add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and continue whisking until everything is well combined. This is looking great and it's about to look even better. Set the wet ingredients to the side until we need them. For the dry ingredients, grab a separate large mixing bowl and add in 1 3/4 cup of cornmeal. By the way, I'm using stone ground. Also add 1.5 cups of bread flour, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup and 2 tablespoons of granulated white sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Whisk all the dry ingredients thoroughly. I'll be using a spatula since I have it on hand. Either one works, just make sure all the ingredients are well mixed in. Then add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and with a spatula fold in carefully. For this step, you do need a spatula because it is crucial we fold in the ingredients. I have to confess, this recipe is guilty of my love for this bread. Its flavor is complex, the texture is to melt for, it has all the qualities of a traditional cornbread with the perfect amount of softness and moisture to win you over. The less you work the flour, the fluffier your cornbread will come out. Okay, now it's time for the star ingredient. Fold in the warm brown butter. Don't be afraid to incorporate the golden brown milk solids because together with the butter, it will amp up the flavor. Watch as it becomes velvety due to the butter. It's a beautiful thing. Your batter will be ready when smooth and you don't see streaks of flour. Take a look at the consistency. It's not too thick or too runny, just perfect. We are going to bake the cornbread in a 12-inch round skillet. Start by brushing the bottom and sides with unsalted softened butter. Then pour in the cornbread batter and with a small offset spatula, smooth out the top. This way it bakes evenly. You could also lightly tap and then bake away. Place the skillet in the middle rack of the preheated oven and let it bake for approximately 40 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean when inserted in the center of the cornbread. When ready, go ahead and remove it from the oven. It smells delicious. Now using oven mitts so you don't burn yourself, remove from the skillet to prevent the bottom from steaming and softening. Place on a cooling rack and let it cool down before you cut into it. I know it's hard to wait, but don't worry, this waiting time will be short. I love to eat my cornbread warm, plus I don't think I can wait any longer. The cornbread is perfect in every way. It's crispy on the outside, soft and moist in the inside. The brown butter is a game changer. It deepens and adds a nutty flavor that will make this bread taste delicious and unique. Folding in the ingredients results in a fluffy and soft cornbread. You will definitely impress everyone. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family. They will thank you. Oh my god, this cornbread is truly amazing. It has a perfect crust, golden brown, and moist in the inside. It is the best cornbread you will ever have. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Remember that you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching and have an amazing rest of your day.